Do you want to know how the power clean cycle works on the WaterBoss water softener and how to set it up? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, now in the Water eStore and the Water Store in Midland. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. You'd really like to press the subscribe button, bottom right hand corner of your screen. That will take you to my YouTube channel. There's hundreds of water treatment videos on there, all about water softeners, ultraviolet disinfection systems, tons of information, how they work, how to maintain them, etc. You definitely want to check that out. Also, I really encourage you to watch this video to the end because I'll have a link to my water softener playlist. Again, hundreds of water treatment videos there that'll help you with all aspects of your WaterBoss or any other brand of water softener. So what is a WaterBoss power clean cycle? It's a way of deep cleaning the media inside the water softener. So who needs to set it up? People that have high amounts of iron in your water. So if you have more than 0.3 parts per million of iron, on an ongoing basis, you should be using a product something like this in with your salt. But then once every 6 months, you need to set up this power clean cycle. You set it up for 2 weeks and it deep cleans the media. How does it do that? It regenerates basically every second day to really do a good job deep cleaning it. After that 2-week time, then you can turn it back off. But I'll show you how to set it up right now. You start by removing the lid. Just grab it at the back and pull it right off. So to set your WaterBoss for power clean, you just push the 2 buttons. All right, so then you just scroll down by pushing the P button till the cursor here on the right side is right beside PC for power clean. You'll see the 2 dashes. That tells you power clean is not on. You push this button, now sets power clean to on, and you press P, and it puts it back into service. That's it. And I should mention, we do offer free shipping and discount pricing on WaterBoss water softeners. If you click the link up here, it'll take you right to our e-commerce store. Lots of products there too, other water treatment products, not just water softeners, but a full line of water treatment products. And that's it. If you like what you saw today, please click the subscribe button if you haven't already. I also really appreciate it if you could share this video with your Facebook friends. For some more information, you can go to our websites, either thewaterestore.com or thewaterstoremidland.com. And that playlist I mentioned earlier, if you click the link up here, it'll take you right to our water softener playlist. Again, lots of information about water softeners to help you and your family really appreciate your water. And again, it's Gary the Water Guy. Thanks for watching.